Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of business payments, a topic that can get a little dry sometimes, but trust me, it's crucial. We're all familiar with the traditional payment methods, cash, credit cards, maybe even the occasional check these days. But when it comes to businesses, especially online businesses, things get a little more complex. Have you ever come across the term lemonway while browsing payment options? Maybe you're a freelancer signing up for a new platform, or perhaps you're an entrepreneur setting up your online store. This unfamiliar word might leave you scratching your head, wondering, what exactly is lemonway? What is lemonway? Fear not, friends. Lemonway is actually a payment facilitator, a fancy term for a company that acts as a middleman between businesses and their customers during online transactions. Think of it like this: you, the business owner, have a storefront, and your customer walks in with a bag of cash. But instead of you directly taking the money, lemonway steps in, verifies the funds are there, holds them securely, and then only releases them to you once the customer confirms they've received their product or service. This secure system benefits everyone involved. Here's why. For businesses, lemonway handles the complexities of online payments, including fraud prevention and chargebacks. This frees you up to focus on what you do best, running your business. For customers, lemonway ensures their payment information is secure and their purchases are protected. If something goes wrong, they have a clear channel to get a refund. Why use lemonway? So, why choose lemonway over other payment processors? Here are some key advantages. Security. Lemonway is a PCI DSS compliant company, which means they meet the highest industry standards for data security. Your customer's financial information is in safe hands. Flexibility. Lemonway offers a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. This caters to a wider customer base and makes the checkout process smoother. Scalability. As your business grows, lemonway can handle the increased volume of transactions without a hitch. International reach. Lemonway operates in multiple countries, making it a great option for businesses with international customers. Is lemonway right for you? Cut back to explainer video with simple graphics. Now, the question is lemonway the right fit for your business? Here are some factors to consider. The size and type of your business. If you're a small business just starting out, lemonway might be overkill. There are simpler payment processors available. However, as your business scales, lemonway's features and security become increasingly valuable. The types of transactions you process. Lemonway is particularly well suited for businesses that deal with high-value transactions or transactions where there's a risk of chargebacks, like marketplaces or freelance platforms. Your target market. If you have a global customer base, lemonway's international reach can be a big advantage. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. Lemonway is a secure and flexible payment facilitator that can be a valuable asset for many businesses. Remember, choosing the right payment processor depends on your specific needs. Do your research, compare different options, and see if lemonway fits the bill. Thanks for joining me today on this exploration of the world of business payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions about lemonway or online payments in general, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.